like and subscribe right now for amazing luck for the next week. Make sure to watch today's full video to see an optical illusion that YouTube is going to remove. Not just that, but comment your answers as we go along. Our minds are tricked so easily just with this arrow. It makes our minds think the figure is moving that direction. Yet it's not changing at all. It's actually crazy. I don't know how this works. Here we have some candies, and your job is to try to make them land in their cutouts perfectly. Only 1% of people are actually able to make this work, so best of luck and comment down below if you can land this or not. What is wrong with this photo? Comment down below what you think it is, and then I'll reveal the answer. So what's wrong with this photo is that the feet appear to be raised rather than indented. It's like someone was underneath the person walking on the sand. Crazy, right? Which way is this train moving? Because some people see it moving to the left, while others see it moving to the right. My problem is that I see the train going both ways, so I'm so confused. Can you help me out by commenting down below which way you see the train going, and maybe we can compare our answers. This right here is probably one of the best mind tricks ever, so stare at the staircase and don't blink. Alright, now I'm gonna flip this staircase upside down and make sure you don't blink yet. Alright, now that the staircase is upside down, I want you to blink once. The staircase should have actually flipped after you blinked. This is definitely one of the best mind tricks there are. How many F's are in this sentence? The odds of you getting this right are so slim, so count how many F's there are and then comment the number down below. Alright, there actually were 6 F's in this sentence. Did you count 6 F's? If so, let me know in the comments. Right now, there are 15 matches on your screen, and I have a challenge for you. Are you able to figure out how you can remove 6 matches to make it 10? I understand that sounds confusing, and that's why it's a hard challenge. But if you look carefully enough, you too could figure this out. Alright, so look what happens when we take away these 6 matches. We're actually now seeing the word 10 on our screen. Did you get this right? Comment down below. One emoji here is different. Are you able to spot that emoji? Some people cannot spot the emoji, but if you actually go down below and comment either the actual emoji or comment what the emoji is, there's no way you're going to spot this, but good luck. Okay, so if you haven't spotted it yet, the emoji is actually right here. Were you able to get this or not? There is something hidden within this image that only 1% of people are able to spot. If you can spot it, then comment down below what it is and we'll compare our answers. So what's hidden in this image is actually a cat. If you don't believe me, which I wouldn't either, squint your eyes and look at the image now, and you'll actually see the cat is there. What do you see when you look at this image? Comment down below what you see. At first glance, you probably saw a boat out in the middle of the ocean, but that right there is actually just a rip inside of the sofa. Did this trick you, and do you see it as a sofa now? Are you able to spot the difference here? Comment down below what you think the difference is, and then I'll review it and let you know if you're right or wrong. So the difference here is actually if you look at the right one and actually the tongue, there's no line. But if you look at the left one, there's actually a line on the tongue. Did you get this right? If so, comment down below. There is an animal hidden in the circle. Are you able to figure out which it is? If so, go down below. Only those with really good eyesight will actually be able to see this. So comment what animal you see in this red circle. On the screen right now, we see 2 letter H's. The one on the bottom and then the one on the top. It actually looks like the one on the bottom is a lot longer, but it's absolutely just messing with our heads. These 2 are the exact same size. I don't know how it works, and it's something with the lights flashing and moving up and down, but somehow they're both the exact same size, and our eyes and brains are so easily tricked. If you know how this works, comment down below. Next, we got this photo of this popular streamer, Ninja. But there's actually something wrong with this photo. Are you able to spot it? Down below, comment what is wrong with this photo, and then you'll see if you're right or wrong. Alright, so we actually will turn this photo the right way, and it looks pretty messed up. Did you notice this earlier, or were you tricked into thinking that this was completely normal? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought. Are you able to solve this? Which one of these cups will get filled up first? The answer may look easy, but trust me, it's a lot harder than it looks. Which cup do you think it is? And then we're going to actually go and see if you got the answer correct or not. So comment down below what cup you think is going to be filled up first. So cup number 2 actually will get filled up first, and this is because there's a gap here, which makes it so it'll fall out and then go straight into the cup number 2. If you got this correct, then you're a genius. Which one of these circles is the odd one out? They're all blue, but one of them is a slightly different shade. Comment down below which circle you think is the wrong shade. Do you think it's circle 1, 2, or 3? Comment down below. The one that was actually wrong shade was actually number 3. If you got this correct, that means you have really good eyesight and well done. These spinning ones always get me, so which way is this horse spinning? Is it spinning towards the left or is it spinning towards the right? I don't know why every time I see these spinning ones, you guys, my head just goes crazy because I have no clue which way it's truly spinning because I see it going one way, then I see it going the other, so I need to know, am I crazy or do you guys see the same thing? Which way do you see this horse spinning? Comment down below. Everywhere I look on this photo, it stops moving and then it moves everywhere else. And I move my eyes around and it just starts moving even more. Is this happening for you guys as well? Tell me down below in the comment section. Wherever you look, does it stop? And wherever you look, does it keep going? Like, I don't even know what to say right now, you guys. But let me know, what is this going on for you? It's crazy. Only a genius can read this. Can you guys read this? I need you to comment down below what it says because I can read it from right to left, but not from left to right. Not many people are able to read this, so you are reading this then. Okay, you finish it, you guys. Watch this video before YouTube deletes it. I see you're here and you're watching this right now, right on time. Right, guys? If yes, congrats. Because then you are a true legend and there is no one in the world as fast as you and cool. But wait, you may wonder why you should watch this video before YouTube deletes it and before it's too late. Well, I have it. I don't think you are fast enough to like and subscribe and turn on my notifications before I show you the answer. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it says nothing. Wait, it's blurred. How do I... Don't worry, I'll clear it right now. I'm clearing the screen. Let's see if I can make this actually appear to be normal again. Come on, here we go. So did you see the answer? Well, there you have it, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, drop a like and subscribe. Press on another video you see on the screen right now to watch another video just like this one. And I'll see you over in that video.